So you might be wondering what causes screen mirroring to lag and how do you exactly fix it? Well, first things first is weak or unstable Wi-Fi is the biggest cause here. Now, most screen mirroring relies heavily on Wi-Fi. If the signal is weak, crowded, or keeps dropping, video and audio will lag behind. This happens a lot on busy home networks or when devices are far from the router. Now, also, it may be because of too many devices on the same network. Now, when multiple phones, TVs, consoles, and smart devices are using the same Wi Fi, bandwidth gets split. Screen mirroring needs steady data, so congestion can cause stuttering or delay. And also, wireless interference slows things down as well. Now, other electronics like Bluetooth devices, microwaves, or even nearby routers can interfere with the signal. This interference causes drop frames and lag during mirroring. Now, also old hardware or outdated software may be also the cause here. So, older TVs, phones, streaming dongles may struggle to process real-time mirroring smoothly. So, outdated firmware or operating systems can also introduce lag or syncing issues. Some mirroring methods add a natural delay. So, wireless mirroring methods like casting or screen sharing compress video before sending it, which adds a slight delay. This is normal and more noticeable with gaming or fast moving content. And also, how do you exactly reduce or fix the lag? So, you may want to move closer to the router, switch to a 5 GHz Wi Fi band if available, pause other downloads, and update all devices. Now, also, if possible, use a wired option like an HDMI. It removes lag almost completely. Now, when lag can't be fully eliminated here, if you're using a wireless mirroring or gaming or live interaction, some delay is unavoidable here. In those cases, wired connection or dedicated streaming devices perform much better. And that's about it. So, hopefully this video was able to help you like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.